Give me 1 minute and I will help you believe again. I know life feels heavy sometimes. You tried, you failed. You trusted, you got hurt. And now you are tired of hoping. But listen, just because it didn't work before does not mean it won't work next time. Every strong person you admire, they were once exactly where you are. Feeling lost does not mean you are broken. It means you are human. And even now, there is a version of you that refuses to give up. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need motivation. You just need to take one small step today. So breathe and try again, because this time it might just work.